Here I have Porsche Panamera 4S, and let me show you how to use Assistant System Overview. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. The home screen should look similar in almost every Porsche from years 2017 and similar. Let's here navigate to choose here Assist. As you can see right here, this is the Assist icon on the left side of the screen. And here, let's make sure that you've got chosen the Control. So under Control, you've got this Assistant System Overview. So this screen is your central command for the car's safety shield. It allows you to toggle the active safety features on or off. As you can see, you've got here the Assistant Shield. Right now, you can change it off or to on. It depends on you. What it does, this is the global switch for all your safety assistant. If you select off, you disable the entire protective layer of the car. It's highly recommended to keep this on for daily driving to ensure all your sensors are active. You can also here enable or disable the line keep assist, as you can see right here. This system uses cameras to monitor road markings. If you're being to drift out of your lane without using a turn signal, the car will gently steer itself back to the central. You can tap this icon if you would like to enable or disable, but I will leave it enabled. You've got here also the line change assist. So as you can see, sensor monitors your blind spot. If a vehicle is approaching fast or is hidden behind you, a LED light will automatically illuminate in your side mirror. So let's just be aware of this, and in my case I also recommend to have this enabled. You've got also here the park assist, as you can see right here. So you can manage the park assist sensors. You can just check out the front, rear, side, panorama front, or panorama rear. So really cool feature. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.